Hello, fellow fitness enthusiasts, and welcome to another exciting episode on our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that fascinates us all, the fascinating science of muscle growth. Ever wondered how those weights you lift transform into well-defined muscles? Ever been curious about what really happens when you're sweating it out at the gym? Well, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll unravel these muscular mysteries, taking you on a journey from the gym to the very cells of your body. We'll explore the biology of muscles, the role of nutrition and rest, and the surprising science behind muscle growth. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed by the incredible inner workings of your body. Let's get started. Did you know that when you're lifting weights, you're not just building muscle, you're actually breaking it down? Quite surprising, isn't it? But that's the fascinating science behind muscle growth. When we pump iron, we create micro tears in our muscle fibers. This isn't a cause for alarm, it's actually a good thing. These micro tears are the key to building stronger, bigger muscles. Here's how it works. After a weightlifting session, your body jumps into repair mode. It mends these tiny tears, and in the process, the muscle fibers become denser and stronger. This is where proteins and hormones come into play. They are the building blocks and the catalysts that aid in this repair and growth process. So, the next time you're sweating it out at the gym, remember this. The real magic is happening during your rest period. Contrary to what you might think, those gains aren't coming during your workout, but during your rest period. Now that we've uncovered the surprising fact about muscle growth, let's dive deeper into the biology of our muscles. The growth of muscles isn't as straightforward as it seems. It starts at the microscopic level with our muscle fibers. You see, our muscles are made up of two types of fibers, slow twitch and fast twitch. The slow twitch fibers are endurance-oriented, while the fast twitch are all about strength and power. Here's where it gets interesting. When you exercise, these fibers sustain micro tears. It sounds painful, but it's actually essential for muscle growth. This leads us to muscle protein synthesis, a fancy term for the process our bodies use to repair these micro tears, building our muscles bigger and stronger than before. And let's not forget the starring role of hormones like testosterone and human growth hormone. They play a key part in this muscle-building process, promoting protein synthesis and aiding in the repair and growth of muscle tissue. In essence, your muscles grow through a continuous cycle of damage and repair. We've learned that muscle growth happens during the repair process, but what fuels this repair? That's where nutrition and rest come in. When it comes to nutrition, protein is a star player. Just imagine protein as the building blocks of your muscles. When you work out, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Afterwards, your body uses protein to repair these tears, making the muscle stronger and larger over time. But protein isn't the only nutrient that matters. Carbohydrates and fats are also essential. Think of them as the fuel that powers your workout and recovery. Carbohydrates provide quick energy, while fats help in the absorption of certain vitamins and support overall health. Now let's talk about rest. Sleep is when the magic of muscle repair and growth really happens. It's your body's prime time for recovery. So, skimping on sleep could mean missing out on potential muscle gains. Remember, your diet and sleep schedule are just as important as your workout routine when it comes to building muscle. So, what have we learned about the science of muscle growth? We've come to understand that growing muscles isn't just about lifting heavy weights, but it's a fascinating process involving muscle damage and repair. We've journeyed deep into the biology of muscles, discovering that when we work out, we're actually causing microscopic damage to our muscle fibers. But don't worry, it's this very damage that kickstarts the body's repair process, leading to stronger, larger muscles. We've also underscored the pivotal role of nutrition and rest in this process. Remember, your muscles need the right fuel to grow, and that fuel comes from a balanced diet. Also, don't skimp on rest. It's during these periods of downtime that your body gets to work repairing and strengthening your muscles. Next time you hit the gym, remember, it's not just about how much you lift, but also how well you fuel and rest your body. Now, go out and make those gains.